Hello everybody, and thank you for even clicking on this. This is the LEGO Technic pistol blowback non-firing. So it's comprised of two parts. Number one is the slide, number two is the handle, or the grip. This is the trigger. It's more just kind of a bit to pull on. And this is the inside piece, which is 15. The actual weapon itself is 16 studs long. You can check this against our little measuring piece here, and that's 16 right there. And it is 9 studs high and 3 studs wide. To show that it's comprised of two parts, we can just remove this rubber band. This is the only rubber band in the entire mechanism of this gun. We'll just remove this, and as you can see it moves freely. You can remove this, that's it. They're the two parts that it comes in, the pistol and the trigger. There will be a separate tutorial released on how to build. There will be a tutorial released on how to build both of these parts, and how to connect them together, and how to put the elastic on. That'll probably be all one tutorial because it's quite a small gun and it's very simple to make. It requires very little parts, and yeah. So without further ado, let's get into the hyper build. And one more note, there will not be a demonstration of it shooting because it's very simple. You pull back the trigger, you can rack the slide like so, and it doesn't shoot anything, so there won't be a shooting tutorial. There won't be how to shoot or anything for this gun. Alright,